Hey Frozen community! We believe that many of you are curious about our new Sonic Mighty AK. So we prepared a series of videos to show you the brand new features of the Sonic Mighty AK. And today we will introduce how we make your printing process more user-friendly and efficient. The CPU of Sonic Mighty AK is 12 times stronger than others, allowing for extra features and smoother operation. By plugging the USB here, you can delete, copy, or just print the files directly. You can also check your printing history and reprint the files. The machine has a 3.5 GB built-in memory, allowing you to save files. You can also connect it through sharing network and edit the files directly from your computer. Before you start printing, don't forget the Z-axis calibration and the LCD test. Now, let's focus on all the upgrades of the user interface to improve your printing process. Before printing, the Sonic Mighty AK will automatically check the 3D file and make sure it's working to avoid failed printing and resin wastage. After printing starts, you can pause printing, stop printing, or switch to the standby screen. In the parameters settings, in addition to parameters adjustment, you can also confirm other settings in your file. So that's it! This is our introduction of the new interface and features, hoping to give you a better and smoother printing experience. Thank you for watching! Be sure to check out our website and pre-order now. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know and we'll get back to you ASAP. See you next time!